Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to introduce the Block Blast strategy in 2025. If you want to get high score, I will give you some tips and tricks to get more and more score in Block Blast. Number 1. Give clear lines above colors. Although coordinating colors can be appealing, your primary objective here is to make line clearance. Block Blast pays you for completing rows and columns. Thus, always consider how to fill a whole line instead of concentrating only on a color. Number 2. Make plans for combinations. Combining several line clears in one motion will result in quite big bonuses. Look for chances to arrange 2 or more line clearings with one block placement. Although building these combos can mean giving up some fast movement, the payoff is well worth it. Number 3. Make use of power-ups wisely. Block Blast often features power-ups capable of clearing significant portions of the board. Don't utilize them the instant you acquire them. Instead, store them for when you are in a tight place, or when they can aid generate big combinations. Number 4. Leave space for larger blocks. Avoid filling the board too soon, especially with the little pieces. Always leave room for the larger blocks, as they can be challenging to position if the board is cluttered. This is vital as the game advances and you will often given greater blocks. Number 5. Balance the center and the edges. Clearing lines in the center of the board provides you more flexibility for future block placement. However, don't overlook the edges. Keep the sides clear, as leaving room available on the margins can be vital for laying longer blocks later. Number 6. Think several moves ahead. When playing Block Blast, you mustn't just look at your feet. You should always look for the future. Block Blast is as much about strategy as it's about rapid action. So before playing a block, think about how it will affect your next few steps. Visualizing your future pieces might fade will help you avoid becoming stuck too quickly. Number 7. Stay calm under pressure. As the board fills up and space gets restricted, it's easy to make hasty decisions. So stay calm and take your time with each action. Sometimes a well thought out placement might open up multiple new choices, even if the board feels cluttered. Number 8. Try to focus more on columns or vertical rows. I think this might be a glitch, but sometimes when I play for the vertical rows, the game itself helps me to get more and more plays and better pieces to place them to make a vertical row. And I actually made a previous video about this glitch, so you can actually make good use of it and try to get higher and higher score. By focusing on these tactics, you can optimize your points and keep playing longer without running out of room. And always remember that Block Blast is a game of patience and planning. Rushing rarely leads to the greatest outcome. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.